This is our garage. And our whole house. As we look at the front, there's the escort and part of our neighbor's house.
Where?
Here's our entryway. As you look at the door there. Air conditioner up on top. And then off to the side, going into the backyard there. Here we come, entering into the front door. This is our sign that says Williams Family at the door. As you can see, right here. Here's Drew opening the door so we can come into the house. This is what it looks like as we come into the house. You can see the entryway here. Nice tile entryway. Looking in towards the dining room here. Off to our right. I don't know why this is stopping recording, but here's Tricia's wedding dress. The same dress that Stephanie wore. There's our organ in the right hand corner over there with some butterflies. Looking at the drapery up around the top. Around the edge, a rocking chair, our lamp, and our temple pictures, as you can see. This is a sunken living room. Watch out, Drew. As I move around here, you can see. As I move around here, you can see what the living room looks like. There's our clock on the wall. Over here. That's a standing fan that we bought, and this is our dining room with the chandelier, and it looks out towards the Arizona room with the louvers in the window. I don't know if you can see it very well there. Okay, this is the end of the hallway going down towards the bedrooms, and we're looking now into MJ and Tricia's bedroom. As we come in here, you see their big stop sign in the window over there. That's MJ's. Let me just look around. There's the closet and various other things over on that side. Look over here into the corner. You can see the situation there. Let's back up and look. Their bed's on the floor. They just have the mattress off our sofa bed in here. And some pictures, as you can see. There's all of the stuffed animals up above the room, and as we look down, some hats of Tricia's and the rest of the bed. Let's see what it looks like here. This is the other side with the hats and the MJ's stereo. And that's the closet. Pretty nice size room. Okay, that's their room. And we'll come out here in the next room. We have 4 bedrooms here. This next room coming back up the hallway is Stephen's. Let me open it, Stephen's. Got it decorated to suit himself, and this is what it looks like as you come into the room. Some clothes and towels and things, and that's his bed with the quilt that Aunt Wilma made him on it. And look here, he's got a big old goodies, official pain reliever of NASCAR thing in here. This is what his bed looks like. And lo and behold, look over there, that's Steve. And we come on around, he's got some pictures over on this wall and a nice window outside. And this is where he has the computer set up, over in that corner there. And then up here, a few more pictures.
I don't think they can hear you over the radio.
Look at his tiger picture, and this is his closet. As you can see, he's got a nice sized closet here. Okay, now we're coming up the hallway, and the next room is Jennifer's room. And you can see as we look in through the doorway here what her room looks like. So I come into it. She has her dresser and everything. Nice lighted room, as you can see, looking out towards the yard. Over in here she has it all set up. This is her closet area. And some other pictures and stuffed animals and various things on her wall. And as we look back towards the bed, this is her bed area. Like the big fan on the wall. And various other knick-knack type things, and this is the bed. So this is the third bedroom. This is what Jennifer has on her door for any messages or whatever. And as we look back up, wait a minute, Drew. What you doing, babe?
Come on, buddy.
Back up the hallway, and we're coming up now, back up the hall. This is Shirley in our bedroom, our master bedroom. Come into here. See, it's a... Turn the light on in there, Steve. Some of our family pictures. Looking into our master bath. Steve just walked by. This is our big walk-in closet. Shirley's stuff is on that side, and mine's on this side, and you can see we have lots of things here. As we walk around in the room, you'll see this is the bathroom. The bears. Going around here. This is a door out to the backyard, out to a patio, and this is our wash area with a double sink, as you can see. Plenty of closet space. And then we come back out of here. Watch out, Steve. Get out of the room. Hurry up. This is looking over towards our bed and our chest of drawers over there. Nightstand and dresser, books. And you can see the rooms are well lighted. We've got two large windows in our room. As we come back out of the room, into the hallway again. See, we look into the other bedroom, or other bathroom rather, right now, back in here. And then this looks out into the hallway, into there. And we got some people over there covering their faces, and this is the main bathroom here. So look into here.
Some kind of water, Daddy?
Oh, there's lots of towels and things here, dear, but this is our area here. Then we come out of here. Watch out, man. Turn that light on, please.
I don't know, dear.
These are the family pictures on this wall over here for all of our Air Force family.
Washer.
Okay, as you can see, this is our dining room area. With louvered window going out into the Arizona room. Got a nice chandelier up there with nice lighting. Some pictures. This is a new picture we got. I'd like to show everybody this picture. It's one of my favorites right here. And the footprints and other pictures and some of Shirley's handiwork right here.
Maybe when your dad's here.
And as we come back around here, these are the pictures that we had for Tricia's bridal shower today. So that everyone can see her a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to go from the dining room. From the dining room into the kitchen area. As you can see we got the microwave and a cabinet here. Come on, Steve, get out of the way, please.
You coming?
I'm taking pictures.
I'm coming.
Turn that on. That light here.
Going in the family room, sweetheart. Oh, the garbage. Steve!
Watch out, Steve.
Young
This
Steve,
is our
stand right
kitchen
there.
area.
Wait, just wait a minute. Uncle Steve, as soon as you can, I want to get the garbage out.
Our table area over there. We move around here, we see our refrigerator coming on around the kitchen. You can see there's lots of cabinet space here in the kitchen. Electric stove and so on there. And a double window looking out again into the Arizona room. Got a dishwasher and sink, and there's our clean water, drinking water system. Move over looking this direction, more cabinet space. Looking into the family room, that's a fireplace. And here's an area where we can put some stools for snacking here at the counter. And we look into the family room. Our bulletin board over here. Various other things that you can see. You can see into the laundry room there a little. Coming into the family room, our old couches, and again, some nice lighting here. And there's the fireplace with our family picture. Looking at other pictures here. Sure you recognize all of these.
I want that one.
Looking back over here, there you see Steve. Where's Eric? There's Eric down there behind the toy box. Hi, Eric. You gonna wave at everybody? Our old chest and some family pictures over here that you can see what we did with this collage of pictures. Look at this grouping here. You'll really appreciate this one back home, Mom and Dad Miller. There's little Drew. And these pictures here. And Lisa gave Shirley. And our two grandsons there. And family is, and no place like home. And some more pictures, collage type pictures here. You can see, let me get up here where hopefully it won't have so much glare on them. So you see we've got lots of pictures displayed to remind us about everyone back home. Now as we look out this way, this is the entryway from the family room into the Arizona room. And don't ask me why they call it an Arizona room other than it's just a room. And you can see it's a pretty good sized room, and you can use it for a multitude of things. It's also air conditioned here, but we don't have it on right now. And there's a ceiling fan. Mostly we have the boys' toys out here. Just a second, Steve. Just showing you around the room. Nice coverings because it gets pretty hot out here. It's bedding for the extra bedding. And a toy. Steve wants to show us how he can shoot this basketball. Go ahead, Steve. Or no, excuse me, he bowled. I thought you were going to shoot basketball.
No.
Okay. That's what it looks like in the house. Now let me show you also the utility room in the garage. We have that as well as we continue walking around in the house. This room is our utility room that I'm entering now. It's got a sliding door that I'll slide back out of the way and turn the light on so you can see. That's the washer and dryer, water heater, and some more cabinet space here. Different things. New ironing board we got. This is our food storage pantry area back here. Then we go out into our two-car garage. Of course, it's pretty well packed with things right now, as you'll see, but many things we don't have unpacked yet. Lots of boxes, but lots of storage space here too. In the workbench area, they left another refrigerator here for us to use if we wanted to, but we're not using it right now. This is a door out to the outside. and baby bed and golf clubs and different other things. And this is what it looks like in here. Okay, I just stepped out of the one side out of the family room to show you the backyard. I'm walking out. This is a covered patio I'm walking on now. When you look out here, this is the exit way out to the front, big double gate. Big old pine tree out here. Fence between us and a neighbor, a storage shed, another tree area, Steve's archery practice thing. Let me walk out here and look back and show you what the patio looks like here. That's Mark's dad, Tom's, brought the barbecue grill with us, or with them over to here. And that's Steve walking in front of us here, looking around. Let me look out and down the line. This is our fence line in the backyard. Excuse me, Steve, let me get over here. And that's the back of the Arizona room as we look towards the backyard here. It's a pretty good sized backyard. So you can see it's not very much improved. It's mostly sand and some dead grass, a dead tree and different things. And it comes on around. That's Guadalupe street out there, coming on around to our neighbors. And here you can see the back of the house. That's the other, where that light is, the other entry into the Arizona room, and our bedroom windows for the master bedroom and our door out of the bathroom. You come around here, I can see what my neighbor said, there's a couple boards off of our fence over here. And this looks back into Jennifer's bedroom and the upper window of our bathroom. And there you have our complete area. Up there, that's the air conditioner for the main house and the air conditioner for the Arizona room. And that's what our house looks like.